AI is transforming industries, and businesses that employ AI are expanding rapidly. AI helps automate marketing campaigns and improve customer service, making business operations more efficient. Increasingly, consumers demand AI-driven services, which open up new opportunities for entrepreneurs. If you are interested in starting a consulting business, creating digital content, or improving business operations, AI can help you. In this video, we will consider 10 lucrative AI business ideas you can launch in 2025 to benefit from this trend. Number 10. AI content marketing business. Businesses require engaging content that can attract and retain customers, and AI tools make content creation faster and easier. AI writing tools use natural language processing and predictive analytics to create human-like content for a specific audience. Launching an AI content marketing business involves assisting businesses in developing strategies, generating high-quality content, and optimizing it for greater audience engagement. You can offer services such as blog writing, email marketing, and social media content creation based on AI tools. Also, tracking content performance and adjusting strategies based on data insights will be key to success in this business. Because businesses always seek affordable ways to enhance their content creation, AI content marketing services are in high demand. Number 9. AI content editing services. AI can produce content, but it often contains errors and may not match a brand's voice. This creates the demand for AI content editors who can edit AI-produced content to ensure that it aligns with the company's message and quality. As an AI content editor, your responsibility will be to proofread, fact-check, and enhance AI-produced articles, blogs, and marketing copy. Businesses require individuals who can refine AI-generated text to match their brand's voice and ensure it is clear and engaging. Most AI-produced text require a human touch, particularly for complex topics. By offering AI content editing services, you can assist businesses who wish to utilize AI to become more efficient without sacrificing high-quality output. This business is ideal for individuals who have good writing and editing skills, and it does not require much capital to begin. As more businesses begin to utilize AI in their content marketing, the demand for talented AI editors will continue to increase. Number 8. AI-powered personal assistant services. Daily administrative work can be time-consuming for companies and individuals. AI personal assistants simplify such work by automating scheduling, invoicing, expense tracking, and other routine tasks. To start an AI personal assistant business, you need to choose and install AI software to manage specific client requirements. You can provide virtual assistant services based on AI that schedule appointments, manage emails, and send reminders. Busy professionals and companies will be your main clients. Unlike traditional virtual assistants, AI-based tools allow you to handle more tasks efficiently and serve multiple clients at once. Rather than doing each task manually, you can utilize AI tools to boost productivity and serve multiple clients at once. As companies focus on automation to minimize operational costs, AI-based personal assistant services will continue to be in demand, making this a lucrative business for those who are interested in technology-based administrative services. Number 7. AI graphic design services. AI graphic design software enables companies to design logos, social media posts, and marketing materials without having an in-house designer. However, businesses still need professionals with expertise in branding and design to ensure consistency and quality. By opening an AI graphic design company, you can assist companies in producing high-quality visuals through AI image generators. This involves creating distinctive brand identities, social media templates, and marketing assets. AI video generation software also presents opportunities to diversify into AI-aided video production. While AI performs most of the design tasks, human touch is required to maintain brand consistency and aesthetic appeal. As more companies seek affordable design solutions, AI-driven graphic design services will still be valuable. If you have a design sense and know how AI software operates, this business can offer high revenue potential without demanding advanced design expertise. Number 6. AI-powered SEO consultancy. Search engine optimization, SEO, is crucial for companies that want to enhance their online presence. AI SEO tools help automate keyword research, track website performance, and improve search rankings. Launching an AI SEO consultancy means using AI-driven platforms to help businesses improve their search engine visibility. You can assist companies in boosting their search rankings by conducting automated SEO audits, improving website content, and analyzing search trends. AI tools are also useful for identifying content gaps and studying competitor strategies. Many small businesses struggle with SEO because of its complexity, which makes AI-driven SEO services highly valuable. With technical work being handled by AI, consultants can focus on strategy and execution. This business is ideal for people with digital marketing skills who need to use AI to deliver scalable, data-driven SEO services to clients. Number 5. AI social media management. Social media is a powerful tool for marketing, but managing multiple social media platforms is time-consuming. AI-driven social media tools help automate content scheduling, analyze audience behavior, and track engagement. As an AI social media manager, you will install and maintain AI tools that generate and schedule posts, monitor engagement, and optimize content performance. Companies still need a human touch to make sure AI-generated content matches their brand and connects with their audience. This business provides recurring revenue opportunities since businesses require constant social media management. AI can optimize content creation and analytics, but strategy and audience interaction still require human skills. As companies increasingly rely on AI for marketing, the demand for AI-driven social media management services will continue to grow. Number 4. AI marketing agency. AI has changed digital marketing by improving data analysis, content creation, and helping businesses reach the right customers. A marketing agency can help companies use AI solutions to improve their online presence. This company uses AI tools for content creation, social media advertising, and automated email marketing. AI analytics help businesses target ads better and track marketing performance more accurately. With AI, marketing agencies can operate efficiently, require fewer employees, and still deliver high-quality services. Companies that want to improve marketing without increasing expenses will seek AI solutions. By opening an AI marketing agency, you can provide many services while leveraging automation for better efficiency and business growth. Number 3. AI implementation consultancy. Most companies want to use AI but lack the technical knowledge to do so. AI implementation consultants help businesses adopt AI solutions that fit their industry and operations. This business involves identifying what a company needs, recommending AI tools, and making sure the setup runs smoothly. AI consultants serve many industries, including healthcare and finance, to implement automation and predictive analytics solutions. As companies embrace AI in large numbers, they will require expert services to remain competitive. This business opportunity is ideal for technical experts who want to help organizations improve efficiency and gain new insights using AI. Number 2. AI-powered customer service solutions. Customer service automation is highly sought after. AI-based chatbots and virtual assistants help businesses answer questions quickly while maintaining a personal touch. Establishing an AI customer service business involves creating and maintaining systems that automate responses, analyze tickets, and forward complicated questions to human representatives. Businesses benefit from faster responses and happier customers. With AI customer service, businesses can save time and work more efficiently, making this a good business opportunity in 2025. Number 1. AI data analytics services. Data plays an important role in making business decisions, and AI improves data analysis by automatically identifying insights and trends. AI data analytics services help businesses process and interpret large amounts of data more efficiently. This business involves providing automatic insights, predictions, and customized reports. Businesses use AI analytics to optimize operations, improve marketing strategies, and enhance customer experiences. As businesses increasingly rely on data, the demand for AI analytics services will continue to grow. Offering AI data analysis solutions can create consistent revenue and long-term business opportunities. AI-based businesses offer huge business potential in 2025. Whether you are interested in marketing, automation, or analytics, these AI business ideas offer great profit opportunities. Which one do you like the most? Comment below and subscribe to Money Magnates for more information on profitable business opportunities.